Hey everybody, Hbbyloggr here, and today's the 3rd of November, and Jessie and me are going to take a little ride down to the bridge to see what the river looks like. And we've had plenty of rain the last few days. In fact, we are swamped. I mean, we got water, standing water everywhere here, and we got that front coming through and some high winds today, and the leaves are starting to blow off. We already cleaned them up here a whole bunch of times. But anyhow, come on in. Let's go for a ride. Jessie, come on. Hop up. We're going to go down and look at the river. That sound good? Alright. Okay, guys. Yeah, well, I took a ride down to downtown after wood delivery this morning, and the rivers down there were pretty high. I don't want to say they're coming over the banks yet, but I'd say they're pretty active. So we're going to take a little cruise down the end of the road here, take a look at our river. And I know, guys, it's the end of the road. Got back this little scooter back from the dealer the other day, and I went up there for its initial maintenance check and getting everything all ready to go for the winter. And they check the valves and they go right through the whole thing. So this is the big major one. It seems to be running pretty nice. I think it's muzzle loading season today. I haven't seen anybody down here, but it was nasty earlier. The sun just came out about an hour ago with this little front going through now. And it's supposed to be kind of windy, maybe 20-25 knot winds today. I suspect that the ground is saturated as it is. We'll probably get some trees coming down, just lift right out of the roots there, but we'll find out. Anyhow, we got to go down and see what's going on here. Jessie's on alert. What do you think, Jessie? She's probably telling me, hey, why don't you move over a little bit to the left there so I don't keep getting swatted in the face, you know? This really is pretty down here this time of year. So there's our bridge. I know, we've been down here before. We'll go turn around. This is coming down this way, obviously. Go over here and turn around first. Coming up on the banks a little bit there, but it's going to stay pretty, look at the size of that big old bugger, huh? This thing seems to run a little smoother than what it did after their tune-up there. It only had 22 hours on it when I took it in for the maintenance, but I say they got to do it to keep the warranty alive. Well, let's get out here and we'll take a peek. Well, I'll move over a little bit. Jessie can. We'll just give this a little short shot here so you guys can see what this looks like. outcrop of rocks right there is usually a pretty good indicator how much water there is. That's usually about 8 feet out of the ground there. So it's getting up there a little bit. I imagine while the hills are all draining out down through here, this is going to be this little cascadic water here is going to get pretty rugged. And they call this high bridge because it is. Want to go up the house? Huh? You want to get back into the brown chair? Huh? Come on. Jessie. You don't like it. Way too busy for her. Yeah, I missed the other side of it. Coming down the stream. I don't know if I'd want to put my little boat in here today. I don't think so. Okay, Jessie. Let's go. I woke you up from your nap. You gotta get back up. Hey, come on. Good girl. No, that was graceful. That was graceful, Jessie. Yeah. Okay. Okay, River. Do your thing. Glad I come down to see you. Well, I'll tell you, this thing is smooth. It goes over that little 6-inch lip or 8-inch lip there like it was nothing. It's fun to take this out on a long trail ride or something or other. Mostly I just use it for work. Puddle on down to the yard, pick up some wood. Used it the other day to take a tree down for a friend of mine there with a arch on the back. When we took it all around the back corner there, hardly did anything at all to his yard, his lawn, or anything. It's pretty easy on the ground. In fact, I can't even see where I've been down through here. We'll take a quick little ride around there for you. Then I gotta go to work. I gotta get loaded up for tomorrow. And it's quite a mess down there. Got a little more wood in the furnace this afternoon. Gotta get that back under cover. And the deer have been out here. This is their favorite place to go right now. And all the Swiss chard, they got all that all chewed up. My Brussels sprouts are all gone now. Oh, I'd like to see this dry up some. I was down here earlier this morning. This was all water, standing water on everything. And I cut a couple of little trenches here to drain this section out. That was just hard as a rock the other day, and now look at it. And there's my poor wood yard. I mean, this is just nasty. So I got to get that stuff scooped up, put in the truck. Oops, hang on, Jessie. We weren't ready for that one. And we'll get wheeled over here. Ready? Hang on, Jessie girl. Yeah, it's usually nice and hard down through here. And Boy, the ground's so saturated, everything's just sinking right down in there, except for this. I got another jag of wood ready to work up later on. I've been working off of these log decks here. They're the oldest, and it was so slimy in here a week or two ago there, I couldn't even get it in here with a log truck. I mean, I almost had to pull it out. It was so bad. So I scraped it all out and called up a buddy of mine, called up Merrick, and had him come over with some gravel. So we got 3 big wheeler loads spread in here. We had to test it out and make sure the bank was still good with a little target practice just to keep in shape. But anyhow, that's the wood we're working off of. And this stuff here is stuff I just don't want to throw through the processor. That'll be for us. And this side here is real big stuff I don't want to run through the processor, so that's for us too. I get all the crap. Everybody else, customers get all the good stuff. We'll drop Jessie off up there and come back down and load that truck up. That's it from Hbbyloggr Road. There it is down there. And